Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when the iOS 18 update is not showing up on your iPhone, and this will be a quick tutorial, so just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. Now if you don't see an upgrade to iOS 18 like I do, then there might be some issues which you can fix quite quickly. You want to go ahead to your Safari browser, and here you want to write down beta download. After that, just go there. Now open up Apple Beta. And from here, you want to go ahead and sign into your Apple right there. Now you want to be on iOS section, and here it is, iOS 18. So you want to get started and enroll your iOS device right there. After that, you will need to go ahead and do an archive backup. This basically will save your data and files before installing the beta versions of iOS. And after that, you want to turn on beta updates. You can click open beta updates. And once you have opened it up, you will see this option to iOS public beta iOS 18. So you want to go ahead and click on it. And now you will be able to go ahead and receive beta updates on this phone and to test drive and so on and so forth. Now, if that didn't work for you, you want to go ahead to your Safari browser. And here on Safari, you want to write down Apple Developer. From here, you will open up Developer on Apple. Now you want to scroll down until you find iOS 18 right there. Click on it. And here it is, get ready for iOS 18. You want to go ahead and click download button at the top right corner. Now you will need to be logged into your Apple account here. Just sign in with the same this same ID you're using on your phone. And of course, let's go ahead and agree on this. And now after that, you should be able to see it on your settings. You will see it here under automatic updates, beta updates. And again, you're going to choose iOS 18. So if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.